Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So this is the second video lecture in which I will show you how to import data into the EViews, a computing packages software to run regression models to get different results like summary statistics, like to check autocorrelation, heteroscedasticity, in order to check multicollinearity. So we are going to show you how to I'm going to show you how to get this data into the EViews. So let's go to the EViews. First open it. So before going to the EViews, I show you my data. So I already took data from WTI. So this is basically a Phillips curve in which I take dependent variable as unemployment, and independent variables are inflation, trade, and government debt level. So this is the multiple regression model because there are many independent or explanatory variables. So let's move to the EViews. So this is the EViews I already installed in my PC. So if you see, there are create a new work file, open an existing work file, or open a foreign file. There are basically two methods to get the data in EViews, but I am going to show you open as a foreign file. So click on open as a foreign file, and our data is on desktop. So this is my data, economic data Phillips curve. I click on here and it will import my data into the EViews. So next, then finish it. Linked import series and alpha to the series. No. Yes, this is now my data. So this command section will be moved to so this is the basically my data uploaded in EViews. So unemployment, trade, inflation, and government debt level. So how to run a regression? And so first you have to select the dependent variable, which is unemployment. Press control and select other variables, inflation and government debt level. So it is necessary to keep your principal determinant into the model. Like this, in this Phillips curve, we say unemployment is the function of inflations, and there is a trade-off between unemployment and inflation. So inflation is your principal determinants, and other variables or independent variables are government debt and trade. So select it and right click, open as equation. If you open as equation, yes. So this C is basically your constant, and this is government debt level, inflation. So we can put C after this. If you want to show the model, multiple regression model, I want to show you basically this is your format of multiple regression model, which is dependent equal to constant term beta naught, and beta 1 is the coefficient of first independent variable x1, beta 2 x2, beta 3 x3, and so on. Ui is your error term. So I want to put C in between unemployment and trade, so C is over here. So the method is least square method, fine, and click OK. So this is the basically regression result in the EViews. So y equal to trade, inflation, and government debt level. Your dependent variable is unemployment. So if you want to check its significance, so you have to check probability. So if it is less than 0.05, it means we reject H0. When we reject H0 means the variable is significant. So the trade 0.0012, it is less than 0.05, so this variable trade is significant because we reject H0. In inflation is again significant, which is 0.013, which is less than 0.05. So it is again significant variable inflation, and government debt is insignificant, 0.01. It is greater than 0.05, because probability need we need to compare with 0.05. If the probability is less than 0.05, it means significant. If greater than, it means the variable is insignificant, having no effect on dependent variable. So this is all about your regression results. In this, you can this is the first method to run the